Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's talk is about using compost tea to make your garden to make your garden flourish and grow a lot of produce. So here we go. So if you have a compost bin that has holes in it, make sure you have holes at the bottom to collect the compost tea. What will happen is that it will drain to the bottom, and instead of just leaking into the soil, you'll be able to collect all the nutrients of dead material, may it be plants or even old fruit scraps like eggshells, some old watermelon, any lettuce or anything like that, or grass clippings. Make sure you're chucking some grass clippings in there as well. But that is a major thing, to collect it at the bottom, otherwise you just let it go into the soil. So we've got a compost in here. You've got a few eggshells. Sometimes we get dead material or dead meat scraps, we throw it in, but not too much. We throw it in with a lot of brown waste, and then what we do is that we water it from the top. So that's what we're going to do today, and I'm going to show you how to make it flourish. So I've got some tomato wastage from my clippings. Throw that in. Then we're going to add some water on the top. Spread that around. Cool, then all you have to do is leave this for a few hours, then come back to it. You should have quite a bit of compost tea at the bottom. So we've left it for a while and we have a bit of compost tea here. So we're just going to let that, and we're going to collect it at the end. Cool, so once you leave it sit for a while, you should have a concentrated form like this. It's a lot darker. The water is there. And we're going to feed this to our plants. Use an old colander. And what that will do is that will contain all of the dead plant material from over time. There you go. So if you do need more, over time it will fill up again. Just don't put too much water, otherwise you're just washing it through. Cool, alright. Let that sit for a while, and then just pour the concentration dilute into each one of your tomato plants. And that will definitely give you a massive boost of growing your plants. So just use your scraps. And we have a full tray to use again. And you can just keep doing that and repeat over and over again. Go through all your scraps and your grass clippings. If you mow your lawn every fortnight, this will definitely help you because it gives you a use for your grass clippings. And just remember, every time that you refill it with scraps, do put in some grass clippings and then add a small chunk of water, and that will help it dilute. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you liked my video and it was helpful for you guys, please share in the comments what you guys are going to use it for. It will be awesome to know what knowledge I create with these videos, how it's going to be used. And if you do have some tips for me, please feel free to leave them in the comments or message me. I'll leave you guys to it. Enjoy. Wow, look at you. It's going to be a watermelon on that soon.